Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access the HTML page content on your JavaScript file. So in order to do that, just make sure your file has been connected, your script file has been connected to your index HTML page. Once you do that, just simply check the name, the ID or the class for the tag that you want to access on the JavaScript. For example, if I want to access, let's say if I want to access this button which has ID reset. Now in order to do that, just simply go to your JavaScript file, and here over any of the point, just simply create a new variable, writing let and name the variable. For example, if I say example, once I do that, a new variable have been created. Now to access that file, you need to do is just simply hit document dot query selector. Once you do that, just simply create a new bracket, and under the bracket, under the quotes, just simply write the ID. If you are accessing some elements using ID, just simply add hashtag in front of it, or if you are accessing by name, just simply add it as you want. You don't need to add anything in front of name. And if you are accessing by class, just simply add a dot. Now here write the class name and the ID name, and once you do that, just simply hit enter. Now your this variable contains the data from this particular ID tag. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.